are an Ames family, we are a school at work. We are working for our kids, for our students, and ensuring that they have all of the opportunities to be able to have quality education, to be accepted to college. We have low-income students and we have immigrant families, socially, economically disadvantaged families that education is the game changer for them, and so that's a huge part of our work.
Our instructional practices, we really hold really steadfast to maintaining rigor, and that's K-12. We do deep data dives also, and so we really ensure that our students are meeting their full potential.
Here at Ames, we offer AP classes to all of our students. And this really gives our students an advantage and an edge because it allows our students to deal with some of the most rigorous coursework that's available, and it helps them to also gain some points in their GPA when they're applying to UCs. We also allow dual enrollment classes. So that's when our students will, in high school, take college courses and receive college credit for those.
I love that at Ames, I feel like everyone is always involved in something. I feel like our voice will always be heard and it will have an impact.
I love the people, the environment. Like it's always like fun, positive energy.
Something that I really like about this school is that not only is it diverse, but there's just not a lot of us.
We always talked about being Ames strong, but an Ames strong family.
It's helped me become more well-rounded because here I've been able to start clubs, I've been in leadership, I've been in sports, I've been and helped a lot of different areas of the school, and it's allowed me to take initiative in other areas of my life and become more outgoing, more social.
Ames has provided a lot of courses like AP classes, and getting into sophomore year we have dual enrollment, which is really helpful.
School pays for the AP exams, the SAT exams that we take, and even all the way even to our UC applications, to our college applications.
There's a lot of clubs, there's a lot of extracurriculums, for example, All Tied Up.
It really helped me with becoming a better human being and a better male.
So I got a job offering there just because of All Tied Up. It just exposes you to so much new things.
We want to make sure those kids are discovering their passion. So we actually give them access and exposure to places that they never really had access to.
Everything we do prepares them for the world.
Wherever we go, they go.
Honestly, it's everything that we do for our families. Exposure to arts, exposure to music, exposure to foreign language.
Just seeing students just take on the spirit of leadership and ownership, I'm really proud of that.
I'm most proud to see students that may have had a difficult time, to see them when they're walking down the hall and they're happy and they're doing great. And then I see some students that come from challenging, extremely challenging backgrounds, and they overcome these obstacles and they're doing good. And they're in an environment of peace here at school. They feel safe, that this is an environment that they can come to school and parents can drop their kids off and not worry about them being harmed, that they're going to get a good education.